Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome to another unboxing video. Now today we're doing a little bit differently. I've got the camera over there. I'm sitting down here in my workshop. Don't worry about the mess in the back here too much. I've got to get around to sorting that out one of these days. I was going to record this outside, however, there's just too much noise and wind and neighbours mowing their lawns going on. So I've decided I'm going to film this in my workshop, and it's probably appropriate because we're unboxing a new drill. Today we're going to have a look at the Ryobi 18V hammer drill kit. I purchased this at Bunnings recently. As you may or may not be aware, I'm currently in the process of upgrading some of my tools that I've got because some are getting a bit old. And I've also got some other plans, so there'll be quite a few more tool unboxings coming up because as I make more money or raise myself a little bit more money, I'll be buying more stuff that I need. I'm actually selling off a few things to be able to buy things that I need and that I'll be using. So if you're interested in tools and stuff like that, hit the subscribe button now because there's lots more coming up. Now today we'll be looking at this, the cordless hammer drill kit, 13mm keyless chuck, which is pretty good for a cordless drill. It's got built-in LED work lights, 2 gears and 24 torque setting. Now this kit does come with a 5 amp hour and a 1.5 amp hour battery and the charger, as you can see there. Let's have a look at the box. There's the back of the box. There's the other side of the box. And we're back round to the front of the box. Now, like all Ryobi 1 Plus 18V tools, this comes with a 6-year warranty and a 3-year warranty for the battery and the charger, which is pretty good. So this is a hammer drill, so you can use masonry bits in this, but I'll mainly be drilling timber and steel using this drill. And it seems to come in some sort of carry bag, as you can see there. We'll have a closer look at that once we've unboxed the drill. Okay, it says here, powerful motor producing 50 Newton meters of maximum torque to get the job done faster. 2 speeds and 24 clutch torque settings. Can drill timber up to 38mm, steel up to 13mm, and concrete and bricks up to 13mm, which is pretty good. And best of all, it does come with 2 batteries, and it does come with one of the big 5 amp hour batteries. So let's get this out of the box and have a closer look. Here it is, neat little Ryobi bag, carry handles. Let's unzip it and see what's in there. Hopefully we'll have a battery drill. Okay, it's got some cable ties on there. I've got the tool for the job right here. This is what it looks like when you first unzip the bag. Okay, the first thing out of the bag is the actual drill. Looks really nice. There you go. There's your different settings. Torque speed adjustment, forward and reverse. It's got a little driver bit down here attached into the grip. And there's the LED work light that we'll be testing out shortly. Next up is the charger for the batteries. Here we are, there's the 2 batteries. There's the smaller battery, 1.5 amp hours. I'll be using that for my torch, I think. I don't think I'll bother using this on the drill. And here is the 5 amp hour battery. Nice. 18V, 5 amp hour battery. Let's try it out, see if we can make this thing work. There we go, she's alive. There's the little LED work light coming on. Geez, it seems to have some power. Okay, there it is, out of the box. First impressions, it's got a fair bit of weight in it. Even without the battery, it's quite heavy. I might check the box and see if it tells us how heavy it actually is. And the second impression is it's really nicely finished. It looks really nice. The buttons are really positive. Okay, it's got all the different settings that are really nice. And it seems to have plenty of power. I think I'm really going to enjoy using this. It certainly looks the part and feels the part. And with a fully charged battery, I think it'll go a fair way. Not sure I'll get much use out of this, to be honest. I mean, look, I'm not going to throw it away. But I don't think I'll use this too much, unless I'll be taking the drill somewhere. But, you know, there's no compartments in there. Well, I think that's a bit of a negative, a bit of a con. There's no compartments in there, so if I'm going to put my drill in there, it's just going to flop around. Like, I mean, there you go. And what, I'm just going to throw this stuff in there and throw that in there? Probably not. I mean, look, I'll mainly use this in my workshop anyway, so I don't think I'll be using that too much. So first impressions, overall, I'm very happy with my new purchase or new investment. Okay, so after drilling a few holes and getting a little bit of use out of this drill, I'm still pretty happy with it. I think this will serve me well and it'll be a good addition to my workshop, adding to my other drivers and drills that I've already got. I think I've got enough drills now. I can have one drill set up to drill the holes. I can have the other one set up to countersink or drill a different size hole. And I've got my driver to drive the fastness. So I think that should cover most of my needs that I've got at this stage. Now, if you've got any questions relating to this drill, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. I'm happy to answer all questions. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful at all, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the new drill, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. Now, before I finish off the video, I have worked out what I'm going to do with this bag. It's a perfect lunch bag or cooler bag or picnic bag. You can fit your lunch in there, you can put a drink bottle in there and all sorts of stuff. So this could be perfect for an on-site lunch bag, or maybe a cooler bag. You can easily fit a 6-pack of beer in there and probably a few extra cans by the look of it. Okay, it's a decent size. I haven't tried it yet, but I think that's what I'll be using this for. A lunch bag or cooler bag or something along those lines. Thanks, Ryobi. A hammer drill with a free lunch bag. Worksite lunch bag. Construction site lunch bag. Now, don't forget to give me thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great ideas. Thanks for watching and bye for now.